everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Christmas looks like the one that you should know.
Okay guys, welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing yet another haul, but I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I hope that you guys are getting some great gift ideas just from me doing these hauls. So let's get right into it. I know this one isn't very Christmassy, but it's stuff that I picked up on Black Friday actually. I needed some eyebrow pencil. I needed some really bad because I was literally on the last little bit of my e.l.f. one for a really long time, and that is not my favorite brow pencil. I actually really hate the e.l.f. one. It's honestly not the worst eye pencil I ever had, but my favorite one is from a Korean brand, Etude House. I've talked about it before, so I needed to restock on that, but then they had their Black Friday sale, so I picked up a few more things, some Korean beauty products that I have really wanted to try, and I find myself really just using up a lot of my K-beauty products more so than my Western beauty products, if you guys can believe it. One of my last Yesstyle hauls that I've done, which was last year around this time of the year actually, I actually used up 2 of the lip products that I showed you guys in that video, which is unheard of. It takes me so long to finish any lip product, but I just love K-beauty. So I picked these up with my own money, but I do have a discount code with Yesstyle. It's Layla R1, I believe. I'll just leave it somewhere on the screen here if you guys want a discount on some of these products, which I'm sure you do. So I'll leave it on the screen somewhere, and let's get right into it. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload every single day until the 26th of December for Vlogmas. So let's get right into the haul, you guys. I can't believe that they fit everything in this little tiny box. I feel like I got more stuff, but I mean, it is pretty full, to be honest. Are the sirens really starting right now? I just started filming. In my last video, I had to stop like multiple times because of the sirens in the background. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's get right into what's in here. So I do want to mention that everything was bubble wrapped. I did take it out because I did a short just unboxing this and just kind of like showing everything up close. If you guys want to check that out, it will likely be up on my channel before this video. I don't know, actually. I'm doing Vlogmas. I'm posting every day, so you might see that one first or you might see this one first. Let's start off with my favorite brow pencil. So this is the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil, and I picked up 3 of them, but I put the other one in my makeup bag because, like I said, I ran out. So I just got 2 more backups of it, and this eye pencil is so inexpensive. It is actually cheaper than going out to Walmart, getting the e.l.f. one, going out to Shoppers Drug Mart, getting an Annabelle one. This is so much cheaper. I think that these are like $4 a piece or something like that, $3 or $4. I don't know. It's really cheap, and they do have a spoolie at the end, which I love. And if you were wondering what color I get, I'm actually wearing this one today, and I get the color in number 2 gray brown. I do like an ashy brow pencil. I kind of like it to blend in with my hair a little bit, so I can't have anything too dark, but I also can't go too warm. My mom gave me a brow mascara from Japan that she got, and it's very, very, very warm tone. Like, it just does not match my brows whatsoever. So got 2 of those. I also got 2 of these. I don't want to mix them up because I already opened one, but this is the Espoir gloss in the color Glacier, and I've had this in my wish list for quite a while. I saw this on someone's Instagram post, and it was like the most glossy lips that you can get, and it was this right here. So I had to like search for what lip product this was because I don't think the person like wrote it in the video, but a bunch of the comments said, oh yeah, that's by Espoir. It's called Glacier, and it is this beautiful lavender milky gloss here, and they had a deal if you bought 2 of them, which made them so much cheaper. I honestly don't know if they're discontinuing these or not because they were on sale, and oh, It smells really good. It smells minty. I almost worry when things go on sale on Yesstyle. I'm like, is it getting discontinued or like what's happening? I'm like, I don't know if I should have swatched this because you can't really see anything. It's there on the back of my hand. It's more so the glitter in the gloss that color shifts, and it's such a beautiful gel consistency, very much a glossy finish, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can tell from that swatch, but that is the Espoir gloss in the color Glacier. And yeah, like I said, it came in a 2-pack, and I'm probably going to give the other one away as a Christmas gift. Now moving on, I'm gonna do this next actually. This is the Fui Blurry Pudding Pot, and I know I'm so late on getting this product. Everyone and their mom has this. Everyone's talked about this product before. This is actually even available in my city. We have a K-beauty store, and I saw these in person. And the thing is with me, if there is so many colors, so many finishes, I can get very overwhelmed, right? Especially when I go into a store and I see like a million colors of lipstick or a million colors of blush. I'm just like, what do I even want? What is even beautiful? What is even what do I even get? So I did a bunch of research, watched a bunch of YouTube shorts, a bunch of TikTok videos, and I came to the consensus that this one would suit me the best, and it's in the color Baby. And it is their blurry pudding pot. This isn't their glossy one. I know that their glossy one came out pretty recently as well, but that one I feel like is not as popular. A lot of people prefer this one. And the funny thing is, I bought a brush for this, one of those silicone little brushes to put on your face or your lips or whatever. I bought one of those a long time ago, I think almost a year ago, from AliExpress, because I planned to get a bunch of these pudding pots, and it took me this long to get one. So I got the color Baby, and Baby is this color right here. It is a beautiful, beautiful pink. They have a lot of really, really rich colors in this line. They have a bunch of berry colors, a bunch of really, really pale neutrals, and a bunch of medium, more wearable colors, bright colors. They literally have everything, and that's why I struggled to pick one. The one I first had in my cart was, what was it called? Icon or something, or it almost sounds like Iconic Photo, but that's a MAC lipstick. I can't remember what the name of it was, but it was a darker shade of mauve. And the more videos I watched with that one, I was like, that is way too dark for me. So I went with Baby, and I really am looking forward to trying this. I will do a video, maybe a short or something of me trying it. Okay, so next up, I don't even have to swatch this for you guys because I am wearing it right now on my lips. This is the Chewing Glow Pot. Is that actually what's called? Chewing Glow Pot? It's by Desique. This is my first Desique product, and I have 2 of them in this video, and this is in the color 17 Lavender Mochi. I also struggled with this as well because they had a bunch of really, really beautiful colors. I didn't want to go too bright, and I didn't want to go too neutral either. I wanted it to show up on me, so I got a really great color. It is kind of leaking right now. I didn't even fully open this product to use it. Actually, I just used whatever was it is leaking, and it's really annoying. But that is what the packaging looks like. It looks like a really cute little jello pot, or a jello, it looks like a jello cake. I honestly was suckered into this by the packaging, and I did watch a few reviews on this, and I was like, wow, that is a really cute product. Like I said, I kind of looked at all the colors, and then I picked the one that stood out to me the most. So it does have a built-in brush, which I love, because who really is going around bringing a lip brush with them on an everyday basis just to, apply product throughout the day and stuff like that? I do have lip brushes, but it's not something that I'm gonna take with me on a daily basis. But yeah, it leaked. There's still I don't know, it looked like a bunch of the product came out, but there's no product in the packaging or anything like that. That's what it looks like. It's just kind of almost like a lip lacquer type product. It is really, really comfortable on the lips. I did use a bunch of it to kind of clean up the packaging a little bit because it spilled everywhere. So I kind of used a little bit more than I would have normally used, but it is a really, really beautiful color. I did use it with the lip liner by Fenty Beauty in the color Riri, and this is the color that it came out to be. I really like it. I think it's a really beautiful shade, especially for the winter time. If you want to go for something a little bit more berry tone and a little bit darker, this is really nice. So I do like this product. The packaging is super, super cute. It's just like the fact that it was leaking everywhere, it's not my favorite, and it kind of also makes me wonder if I should just carry it around in its box because I don't want it to leak all over my makeup bag, you know what I mean? So that is that. Next up, I have the Pure Water Lip Gloss by Yesstyle in the color Melted Berry. Now, I was gonna actually pair this on top of this, but like I said, this one has a really, really nice consistency. I thought it was gonna be more of like an ink stain where it was gonna like dry on the lips, like it was gonna start off as, you know, like a gloss and then slowly dry down, but it's so comfortable. It feels like nothing on your lips. It almost feels like a watery gloss. So good. So yeah, I didn't feel the need to put this on top, but I was suckered into this for the packaging. I'm not even gonna lie. So this is the Pure Water Lip Gloss. I got the color number 10 in Melted Berry, also by Yesstyle. And I don't know, they just do their packaging up right. Look at how cute this is. It looks like something I would have had in my childhood. Like, I don't know, it just reminds me of like a toy, like a Barbie gloss or something like that. Very, very nostalgic, and I know that this is not for everyone. A lot of people are gonna look at this and be like, that looks so cheap. I personally really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, the Yesstyle gloss, it has like a slight berry scent. Very similar to this one. It has like a really, really nice, very slight berry scent. Okay. Oh, okay. That is really, really nice. I know that that's going to be shiny and it's going to have a little bit of pigment to it. You guys see that right there. Very nice consistency. Yeah, and it smells really good too. So yeah, I can't wait for this. I love this gloss packaging. Okay, next up I got something by Peri Para from their Soda Cafe collection, and I got the color Hot Strawberry, and this is their Moody Glowy Ink Tint. I think that's what it's called. Ink Mood Glowy Tint. And I got the color Hot Strawberry, like I said. It is from their limited edition collection, so it does have special packaging. It has a cherry on the cap, and I was actually looking for the one from the lottery collection. I think it's in the color Pink Prize, because that is the one I finished from last year. And well, I'm like down to the very end. There is a little bit of product left in that, but this doesn't really smell like anything. There isn't really much product left in that one, so I was hoping to buy it again, but that was a limited edition collection from last year, and it's like all gone. They have a coral color left, but that's about it. But I really like this formula, and it is the bottom one right there, and the color Hot Strawberry. I thought this was a really beautiful color. It's definitely like a warm toned, you know, like very much a true strawberry color. Okay, next up I got a couple things from the Juicy Chupa Chups collection. Juicy, I think that's how you pronounce it. You guys tell me. Juicy. Okay, I got two things from that collection, from their Chupa Chups line, and the reason why I picked these up is because their Chupa Chups collection is going away. It was limited edition, and they've had it since last year. They also have these like holographic logos at the bottom of their packaging, which is so interesting, so you know you're not buying a fake one. I've seen these on Shein, and I'm not even sure if it is the real thing, so I got these on Yesstyle, of course. So this is the blush I got, and I had to get this because I just feel very nostalgic. When I think of Chupa Chups, I think of their Spice Girls collection from the 90s, and this is just a beautiful color. This is a beautiful pastel lavender pink, baby pink mix. So this is what it looks like, and this is in the color 219 light pink. Don't mind the packaging. I was filming my, what is it called, unboxing for all of these things, and it's been snowing here. So I put all these products in the snow and now they're all like wet. Not the interior, but like the exterior, the packaging and the boxes are a little bit kind of wet from the snow, but that is that. Very, very cute packaging, and I love it when blushes have their own mirror. I don't know why, I just love it. A lot of blushes don't actually have a mirror like MAC. So moving on, I got the Glazed Rouge number 533 in the color Sugar Berry. And this is a lipstick. And I'm not gonna bother swatching this because I didn't swatch it yet. What is that? It has this really cool like sugar effect right there. It looks like it's dripping sugar. How cute is this packaging, you guys? It is so beautiful. They had a couple things in different packaging for this line. They had like a lavender one, which I wanted something in that lavender packaging, but oh my god, this is so cool. Like, it is so cool. It has the Chupa Chups logo right there in the middle. I almost don't want to use it, but I do at the same time. It is such a beautiful shade. It reminds me of like Dorothy's red sparkly slippers. Like, this is something I would definitely wear to like a Christmas party or something. It just looks like it's gonna be pretty sheer. I think this is more of like a jelly. It smells really good. Oh my god, it smells like candy. So it's kind of like a, what is it called, like a jelly type product, I would say. It's gonna be probably on the sheer side. With a good lip liner, this is gonna eat. So that is that. And then the very last thing that I got from Yesstyle, because they always include a sample with your order or multiple samples. This is the first time I think I only got one sample. I got a SPF 50 Cicaderm sun cream. Looks like this, and I don't think this is tinted or anything. I think this is just a regular sunscreen, which is definitely very appreciated because I love putting SPF on my face. I really do. So yeah, that is all that I got from Yesstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to check out Yesstyle, I will leave my coupon code somewhere on the screen here, as well as a link to all these products down below, because I know sometimes it's really hard to find certain products online. You're looking for certain things on a website and you're there for a while searching for like what it is. Like the Desique lipstick or lip gloss that I was showing you with the really cute packaging. It took me forever to find. I found this in someone's video, honestly, and they didn't have the name of the product. They had no information, and I had to like look everywhere on Yesstyle for it. So I'm gonna leave you guys the links. I'm gonna make it easier for you guys. So yeah, that is all that I got from Yesstyle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload every single day until the 26th of December for Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye!